Hello everyone. Welcome to our guide on understanding the pricing structure of Power BI. In this video, we'll walk you through the various pricing tiers and subscription options available. Also help you in determining the best fit for your organization needs. So let's dive in. The first one in the list is Power BI Desktop. Power BI Desktop serves as a complementary desktop application for crafting the reports and dashboards. While users have the freedom to author the reports and share them, they may find themselves lacking the access to some of the more advanced sharing and collaboration features found within Power BI service. The next one is Power BI Pro. Power BI Pro stands as a subscription based service offering the enhanced functionality tailored for individual users. The subscription tier expands upon the capabilities of the free version, introducing the collaborations and sharing tools. Users with Power BI Pro subscriptions can seamlessly distribute the reports and dashboards among fellow Power BI Pro users. The next one is the Power BI Premium. Catering to the demand for larger enterprises with intricate BI requirements, Power BI Premium offers a comprehensive suite of features. This premium tier boosts dedicated cloud resources, improved performance, and supplementary functionalities. Ideal for organizations with a considerable user base, Power BI Premium facilitates access to shared content and advanced capabilities. The next one in the list is Power BI Premium per user. Power BI Premium per user presents itself as a versatile and cost efficient alternative for organizations housing the users who need premium features. This option grants users access to premium capabilities without mandating a full fledged Power BI Premium capacity, hence optimizing the resource allocation and expenditure. The next one in the list is Power BI Embedded. Tailored for developers seeking to integrate the Power BI content within their bespoke application or websites, Power BI Embedded introduces a flexible pricing structure determined by the count of embeddable capacities and the usage of renders or tokens. This option aligns with the unique embedding needs of diverse deployment projects. So, understanding the Power BI pricing structure is vital for making informed decision about which subscription tier would best suit your organization requirements. Whether you are an individual user, a small team, or a large enterprise, Power BI offers a range of options to fit your needs and budget. We hope this overview has provided valuable insights into the pricing landscape of Power BI. Thank you for watching.